In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually create a contact in Hubspot. Let's dive right in, taking you step by step through this straightforward process so you can get your contact list organized in no time. First, let's start by navigating to the Hubspot homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on HubSpot's main site, offering a host of tools and resources designed to optimize your business. Next, you're going to want to log in. On the top right corner of the homepage, you'll find the Login button. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you'll need to input your email and password associated with your HubSpot account. Once you've successfully logged in, you will be directed to the HubSpot home screen. Now from the home screen, direct your attention to the menu items. You are looking for CRM, short for Customer Relationship Management. This is the heart of managing your interactions with potential and current customers. So go ahead and click on CRM. As you do, you will be presented with a few more options. Here you want to select Contacts. Clicking on Contacts will take you to your Contacts dashboard where you can view and manage all existing contact entries. On the Contact dashboard, there's a button that says Create Contact. This is what you need to click next. Once you've clicked on that button, you'll see a form appear. This form is where the details of your new contact will be entered. Here you can add various details such as the contact's name, email address, phone number, job title, and any other relevant information that could assist you in managing communications. Make sure to fill in as much information as possible to keep your contact records accurate and helpful. After you've filled in all the necessary fields with your contact's information, find the button labeled Create. A quick click on this button will officially add the new contact to your HubSpot CRM database. It's as simple as that. You've now manually created a contact in HubSpot, ensuring your CRM is up to date and ready to help enhance your business relationships. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you have streamlined the process of inputting new contacts into your HubSpot system, setting you up for more effective communication and tracking of essential contact details. Using a tool like HubSpot can vastly improve your efficiency in managing customer relationships, so taking the time to master these basic functions will certainly pay off in the long run. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to check back for more guidance on making the most of your business software tools.